Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to one-shot Grym, the Forge Guardian robot, inside the Grym Forge so you can get the Grym Fate achievement. So the Grym Fate achievement requires you to kill Grym, that same robot, without using the Forge Hammer, which is usually the easiest way. In this case, we're going to use a Druid transformed into a giant Owlbear. To do this, you don't actually need to have Halsin or a Druid in your party already. Just go back to base and dismiss one of your companions, and then replace them with a hireling that is a Druid. You can also respec yourself as a Druid if you really need to, in case you have a full party. Then the thing that you want to pay attention to when respecking them is to make sure that they are the Moon Order, so they have all of the different combat morphing abilities to turn into an Owlbear. And then that's pretty much it. Just give them whatever else sounds good. You can even give them Tavern Brawler as a feat for a little bit extra oomph. And then when you get back to the Grym Forge, you're going to want to transform them into an Owlbear. The other thing you're going to want is a wizard with the ability to use Enlarge or Reduce, mostly the Enlarge part. And if you don't have a wizard with this ability, you might be able to learn it from a scroll, like I've done by going into my inventory where I had a spare scroll of Enlarge. If you don't have access to this, you can respec your wizard and make them learn it from the spell pool. Once you've done that, make sure you have it equipped. I forgot until I was in the middle of combat myself. And then you can cast it on the Owlbear after you've had your wizard transform into it. And then you can spawn Grym. Once Grym has spawned, the whole idea behind this fight is when Grym is superheated by the magma, he is vulnerable to attack. This is where you're going to jump on him using the Owlbear specific ability called Crushing Flight. The way that this works is the bigger and badder your character is, and the higher up they are, the more damage they deal. Since we're up on the top of the walkway from before the entire battle arena is lowered, it does a whole bunch of damage, like over 1,000 damage, more than Grym has for health. And then we're going to launch ourselves at him. The two characters up above are going to be out of combat initially until you decide to walk up to the precipice. Just dive bomb onto Grym and he should get one shot, and congratulations, you have now finished a Grym Fate achievement. So I hope you found this guide helpful. I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got more guides coming up, and I'll catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.